What's up? What's up? What's up? My mind, your money business folks. It's me yet again with another video pertaining to all things money. And even though this has nothing to do with stocks, it has something to do with money. It's about the Social Security payroll tax limit increases, for 2025. You will see a 2.5% bump in your Social Security payments starting January of 2025. Also, for those of us that are retired, either federal government retirees, retired from the military like myself, we will also receive, or VA benefit recipients, you will receive a 2.5% increase starting January of 2025. So, I was going to go into calculation, but let's get into the article because I've been meaning to put this out for a couple days, but here I am today. So let's get into it. It says in 2025, millions of retired Americans will see a 2.5% cost of living adjustment for benefit payments according to the Social Security Administration. Thank you for the increase. Something is better than nothing. But a lesser known tax charge will also impact higher income workers. The Social Security Administration on October 10th unveiled a higher threshold for earnings subject to Social Security payroll taxes known as the taxable maximum or wage base. Okay, the limit shifts annually based on the National Average Wage Index. Okay, the limit for 2025 would be $176,100, up about 4.4% from $168,600 in 2024. Earnings above those caps aren't subject to the Social Security taxes, but still incur levies for Medicare. Okay, the changes mean more payroll taxes withheld from certain workers, but there's very little you can do to avoid it. Yeah, it happens. Look, the government's going to figure out a way to get some money from you. Even though they're giving you some benefits, they're going to figure out a way to get a little bit back. And, it is what it is, said certified financial planner Sean Levinson, founder of Philadelphia area purpose-built financial services. That's very interesting. Like the government gives you extra. They give you money that you're promised, but then they also find a way to take money out of the money that you were promised. And I think most of us, when we receive these benefits, we don't think about, being taxed extra monies on that benefit. But it is what it is. So over the last decade, the cost of living adjustment increase has averaged about 2.6%. The COLA was 3.2% in 2024. That was a lot. Yeah. Nearly 68 million Social Security beneficiaries will see a 2.5% COLA beginning in January 2025. Increased payments to nearly 7.5 million people receiving SSI will begin on December 31st, 2024. Okay. Social Security benefits and SSI payments will increase in 2025, helping tens of millions of people keep up with expenses even as inflation has started to cool, said Martin O'Malley, Commissioner of Social Security. That's why it's good, while you can, create multiple sources of income during your working years. Invest into the stock market, invest into your company's 401k, create your own separate IRA. If you own a business, if you're an entrepreneur, create a SEP IRA for your business where you're able to invest money in, because of your business earnings and so on and so forth. And then also you have Social Security. If you're a federal worker like myself, you will receive your federal government's retirement, FERS. If you're a military retired like myself, you will receive your military retirement. If you buy real estate during your working years, early years, and you pay off that real estate and you receive rental income, that's another stream of income. So, when you retire, if you want to retire at the age of 59 or 62, well, let's say when you start collecting Social Security, say you retire at the age of 62, right? You can receive your Social Security benefits at the age of 62. You can also receive your real estate income from your rental property. You can start to receive your IRA benefits if you want to withdraw from that as well with no penalty. You can also start to receive income from your SEP IRA if you're a business owner, your 401k plan if you were invested into your company's 401k. You can also start to receive money from your stockbroker's account. That's like 5 major places that you could receive income. If you're a retired military, that's another stream of income. And also if you receive VA disability benefits, that's another stream of income. The more the merrier. And then the thing is, it's like you won't even have to pull money from all of those accounts if you do not want to, or if you don't need to, because how much money do you need? That's why it's very important that you create a financial plan now. Where there is no plan, you will fail. Creating no plan, you're pretty much planning to fail. And where there is no vision, the people perish. That's how I see it. Okay, some other adjustments. I already talked about the taxable maximum income. Social Security will begin notifying people about their new benefits amount by mail starting in early December. This year, for the first time, Social Security beneficiaries will receive newly designed and improved COLA notice that makes it clear for customers, it says customers, to find the information they need most. The simplified COLA notice is now only 1 page, uses plain and personalized language, and provides exact dates and dollar amounts of a person's new benefit amount and any deductions. Here's another thing. Okay, let's say you're receiving $2,500 from, Social Security, right? So you're going to receive a 2.5% bump. So all you have to do, put in a calculator, 2,500 times 1.025 equals, and you have your new amount, which will be $2,562.50. So that's a $62.50 increase, into the new year, based on the 2.5% increase from your Social Security. Again, if you're receiving $1,500, 1,500 times 1.025 equals $1,537.50. Same thing. Again, if you're receiving $500, right? 500 times 1.025 equals $512.50. So that's how you can do your calculation if you're wondering how much you're going to receive starting the new year of January 2025. Let's say individuals who have my Social Security account, go to SSA.gov, people, create your new Social Security account, can view their COLA notice online. I've created mine. I suggest you start receiving yours. You will see if you've completed your 40 hours of input into the Social Security Administration, and they will show you when you can start collecting Social Security based on your age group, 62, 67, and then age 70. It will also tell you how much money you will receive if you have to receive Social Security disability payments, so on and so forth. So go to SSA.gov and create your account so you can see how much money you're going to start receiving at Social Security, at the age of Social Security, or when you can, you know what I mean. Okay, the simplified COLA notice is only 1 page, and I think I said that already. People can set up the text or email alerts when there's a new message, such as their COLA notice, waiting for them by Social Security Administration. You can do that when you go to SSA.gov. Okay, people will have to have a personal Social Security account by November 20th to see their COLA notice online. So go on SSA.gov/myaccount and create your account, people. Okay, information about Medicare changes for 2025 will be available on www.medicare.gov. For Social Security beneficiaries enrolled in Medicare, the 2025 benefit amount will be available on My Social Security Message Center starting in late November. So if you have an account now and you try to see what your payment's going to be, you won't see it. You will see it in late November. Okay, those who have not opted to receive messages online will receive their COLA notice by mail in December. Okay, it says the Social Security Act provides for how the COLA is calculated. The Social Security Act ties the annual COLA to the increase in the Consumer Price Index, which came out a couple of days ago, for urban wage earners and clerical workers, as determined by the Department of Labor's Bureau of Labor Statistics. So that is it, people. Again, Social Security has announced its 2.5% benefit increase for 2025. So make the most of your money, plan accordingly, lower your debt to income ratio, get out of debt, invest, create multiple streams of income. Do not count on just solely Social Security to take care of you in your later years, because inflation increases and that may not be enough money for you. So while you're working, do what you can while you can. All right, you guys take care. Peace.